Hello, first graders, and welcome back to another grammar and writing job for today. Our target skill for today is I can write present and past tense verbs correctly. Let's practice together. So here in front of us, we have a story. This story is in the present tense. Follow along as I read to you. The runners look at the flag. They start the race. Some racers jump high. They finish the race quickly. The winners pick prizes. So, boys and girls, together we are going to work to take apart this story and put it back together in the past tense. So the first question we are going to ask ourselves is, where's the verb? Looking at this first sentence, can you find the verb? The verb is look. The runners look at the flag. How can we turn this sentence into a past tense sentence? We're going to change the verb by adding ed. So the sentence says, the runners looked at the flag. Let's do the next sentence. They start the race. Where's the verb in this sentence? Start is the verb in this sentence. What can we do to turn this verb into a past tense verb? We can add ed. They started the race. Look at our third sentence. Where is the verb? Some racers jump high. Can you write it in the past tense? Some racers jumped high. And our fourth sentence. Where is the verb? They finish the race quickly. Now let's write it in the past tense. They finished the race quickly. And our very last sentence, the winners pick prizes. The verb is pick. To put it in the past tense, we can say, the winners picked prizes. Phew, first graders, great job taking that story that was in the present tense and writing it in the past tense by adding ed to the verb. Now, boys and girls, it is your turn to give it a try. Today, I would like for you to write 2 sentences. One in the present tense, and then take that sentence and write it in the past tense. Draw a picture to match your sentences. It can be about anything that you would like. It is your choice. Happy writing, first graders!